Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Habib from class 10 TKR2, Karnas Vocational High School. I will describe about the BMW E36 a car. The BMW E36 is a car that is popular among young people. With a wayward engine, performance with fast acceleration and responsive handling. This car has an elegant and sporty design. This car has many color variants, namely white, black, red, and green, using a Daihatsu 6-stroke engine of 2,990 cc to 3,201. The price of this car is around 525 million rupiah. This car is suitable for daily use or racing. That's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.